Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to remove payment method on Facebook page. First of all, open up the Facebook app. Once you get into Facebook, click on the All Tools option from the left side dashboard. Then go into the Billing and Payments option. Click on Payment Settings from Billing and Payments. Then, in Payment Methods, you haven't added any payment methods. Because you haven't added any payment method yet, you're not able to remove it. To remove the payment method, you should have added one already. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.